Hey everybody, it's Peter from Classic Steel RC, and I got my buddy Kelly over here today.
Hey.
So Kelly recently purchased this RC over here. We're doing an unboxing of basically this rig. At least that's what we believe is in the box.
We think so.
We're pretty sure.
That's what I paid for.
And the box is actually so light that we're not 100% sure there's actually anything
in it.
So this is gonna be a true unboxing, whether it's good or bad.
We'll see.
We'll see what happens. So we're not 100% sure what the company actually is, what RC company this actually is. I believe it's a JJRC. He sent me the link, what, a week, 2 ago, something like that.
Something like that.
And I kind of checked it out a little bit, and I believe it was marketed as a JJRC, which I didn't know it at the time, but if you saw my military Jeep unboxing a couple months back, that 1/10 scale Willys Jeep, that was actually a JJRC, and I didn't know it when I did the unboxing. Thanks, Kelly. Got it? Go ahead and pull that out. So I didn't know that it was a JJRC until I actually did a little bit more looking, and I saw that there was a sticker on there that said JJRC. Anyway, long story short, we're unboxing his rig today. Good news, there is a transmitter at least.
Good.
So yeah, we at least have the transmitter. So there is something in the box. Kinda, oh boy. The advertisement did say that it was fully proportional, but I actually don't think it is, just based on the clicking sound that I'm hearing right now. I'm kind of...
Is that the steering? Fully
yeah,
proportional?
I think everything was supposed to be fully proportional, but I'm hearing a click, which is not a good sign for fully proportional. But we shall see, right? Anyway, you get a little screwdriver and a charging cable right there. So we'll put those off to the side right now. And see what's in the box. What do you think, Kelly?
It looks like it's there.
It's there. Got a loose battery, which is probably not the greatest sign, but all right, let's put that box aside. That is a pretty cool little rig.
Yeah.
So we have a 7.4 volt, 900 mAh lithium ion battery, which hopefully has a little bit of charge in there, so we can try it out. I did bring some batteries for the remote. We got our instructions here, which are, I believe, in okay, they're in English and Chinese.
How's your Mandarin?
It's great. It's actually really good. It's not. I'm joking. I'm lying. Alrighty, you want to do the honors?
Of lifting it out without breaking it?
Of lifting it out without breaking it.
There we go. Look at this.
All right, that is a sweet little rig. It is. I'm not 100% sure. So it's got steel rails. At least that's what it looks like.
So this is like differential, right?
Yeah. So it's. It looks like it's open diffs. Open diffs on the this 6x6 front end. Front, center, and rear.
Can be seen, but from where I was holding it, but
yeah, no, it should. Yeah, I mean it's in front of the camera, so we should be good. Got your battery compartment here, as well. Throw it in. The lights came on, so the power's already on.
It's blinking, so
it's blinking. So
no batteries in this one.
There's no batteries in this. I'm gonna use the little included screwdriver to put batteries in here. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. So thanks for holding for a sec. Although for you, there was no wait time. It's been about 5 minutes since I had to put the batteries in the remote and so on and so forth, and messed around with this for a little bit. So, Kelly, want to grab the remote and show them what?
Sure.
So, show them what we discovered.
So, I'm a new operator.
So Kelly is new to the.
I mean, I played with RCs as a kid, but it wasn't.
Mm-hmm.
So I just don't want to drive it off the table.
Yeah. So you got
backwards is pushing away from you.
That's backwards. Yep. Just pushing
And
away.
I gotta get it better on my touch.
And then forward.
Gonna see
So
if I
you
can run
and
over.
obviously you want to hold the steering at the same time too.
Oh, too, yeah.
So it is fully proportional throttle. That we discovered. So let's see how slowly you can go over your knife. That's not promising.
Too slow.
Yeah, don't let it drive off the table. All right. So here's what we discovered.
Maybe user operated.
Here's what we discovered while we were unboxing this, or after we unboxed it and put, you know, batteries in the remote. So it is proportional throttle, but it's pretty touchy. It is not proportional steering, unfortunately. Here, why don't you let the expert?
Yeah.
All right. So you just in case, you have your hand there.
I'm trying to catch
All
it.
right.
Yeah.
So let's put your. All right. So it is proportional throttle. I'm gonna try to climb his knife nice and slowly. Although really, there is no power there. That is.
Some low gear.
Yeah, you need some low gear. That you need a more powerful motor. Went over the screwdriver okay. It is, like I said, not fully proportional throttle. I mean, steering at all. It's all or nothing, just like a toy, you know, that you would get at Walmart or wherever. But as far as the,
You said it's upgradable.
it is upgradable. Oh my God. Yeah, it is upgradable. That's the great news, Kelly. You didn't, you know.
There we go.
You're not completely out of luck. So yes, I was telling Kelly because he is new to the he's new to the hobby, and this is his first non-toy type of thing. Even though don't go backwards accidentally. don't accidentally go backwards. I mean, this is the first time that he's gotten an RC that can be upgraded. So the motor can be upgraded. Transmission, he could put a 2-speed transmission in there if he wanted to. Get a better ESC receiver combo, and I'll give him some ideas on how to do all that. Probably WPL electronics, I would imagine, would be great. Get a servo in there. Basically, you could get this thing really dialed in. How much did you pay for this?
$37, isn't that what it said?
So under 50 bucks. Yeah, I think it was like 35, 37, something like that. Under 50 bucks US, you know. For another 35 or 40, you know, you could you could get WPL electronics in there like I have on mine, on my Land Rover D90. And you'll get fully proportional steering, fully proportional throttle. You'll get a better remote than the one that you currently have.
I like how the battery pack's in here, although you said it didn't have much space.
Yeah. So sorry about that. It's all right. It's your rig, bro. I just hope. Yeah. Why don't we turn off the? Oh, wait a sec. I don't want to have to use your knife to open the hood.
Is there something under the dash I'm supposed to put?
No, oh, you know what? See, sorry, it opens from here. There it goes. Okay, I was opening the wrong spot. So it is a very small battery compartment. I don't think you can get much of a bigger battery. I tried getting my battery to fit. This is my MN99S. I tried getting it in there, and there's just pretty much no way to do it unless you Dremel out some of this, but I don't know how much of any, if anything, like, if any, that'll make it to the blooper reel. Or we'll just keep it in the regular reel. So anyway, you're probably not going to get a lot of run time, so if you do get this rig, whatever brand it happens to be, whether it's JJRC or whatever, if you do get this rig, be prepared to buy a couple extra batteries to get some extra run time in there. Or, like I said, you might have to Dremel out a little bit of the inside of the hood or the engine bay area to get a longer battery in there. So we can look into that if you want. Anyway, overall, I'd say for less than 50 bucks, it's not a bad deal. What do you think, Kelly?
Yeah. I thought it was a little bit bigger scale, so that was a little confusing when we took it out.
Yes.
But I would like to see a little bit more power on the low end and control on the steering. Would like to learn how to take some of the shine off of this and maybe get away from like a military look, so it looks more like a a repurposed truck.
Yeah, like maybe
for like the farm or something.
Yeah, we were talking about that when he told me he ordered this thing. He was telling me about how he wanted to patina it. And yeah, I'm gonna be patinaing my Jeep that I got a couple months back, my Willie's Jeep. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a video of me doing that and you doing this or something, you know?
Maybe this is the beginning of me back into the RC world from when I was 12. I think every kid had some version of it.
Yeah, I mean, I grew up with RCs.
Mine was a Bronco originally, and it was right out of Jimco.
Oh my gosh! Wow, I remember Jimco.
Yeah.
Anybody who grew up in Southern California in the 70s and 80s knows Jimco or remembers Jimco. I don't know if they were anywhere else other than Southern California, but that's where we are. So anyway. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty cool little rig. Nice little starter rig for you, I guess, you know. It is a 6x6, open dips. And I think definitely some room for some upgrades there, buddy. That's a tiny little motor. But it does come with steel chassis rails. Okay, yep, there we go. Once you
kind of curious,
you're holding it.
Kind of curious if the angle
we noticed here. Why don't I do that and you do this? Or
if it changes things.
We noticed one of the wheels isn't moving very easily. Is the remote on?
Yeah.
Is the rig on?
Maybe the rig's not. Not a turn it on. Maybe
oh no. Someone turned it off, whether it be me or you. Okay, go for it.
Maybe that's all the battery wrote.
Did I on? No, it's flashing. Okay, so yeah, it's still not moving. This particular wheel seems to be a problem. Don't know if don't know what's up with that. I know it's open dips, so
if it's the angle, it changes the angle, like gives it all the way over.
Well, no, it should have some. Even though it is open dips, it should be spinning. It shouldn't just be sitting like that.
That might be reason for return.
We suspect it might have been a return. I think so. But it's up to you. Want to keep it and upgrade it, figure out what's going on, or just return it. You know, I don't know what the shipping charges would be, if anything.
5-wheel drive instead of
yeah, it's a 5x6.
Nice catch.
Thanks. All right, so anyway, thanks for joining us here for Classic Steel RC. Peter here and my buddy Kelly once again. Tune in for more RC unboxings and run videos and so on and so forth. Should we do a little run video?
Sure. Let's try.
All right, we'll do a run video after this part. Pure chaos, everybody. Yeah. Pure chaos.
That wasn't even good, that.
Pure chaos, folks. All right, it's Peter from Classic Steel RC and my buddy Kelly.
Kelly learning how to drive.
Kelly learning to drive. Take care, guys. Have a good one.